Select the GODIAG BMW CAS1 ACAS to MEC key test platform and VVDI2. Plug in the power supply. Finally, press the Start button on the test platform. First, open the VVDI software on the computer. Select BMW. Click Connect. Click Read KM to read the mileage data. Click Read Code to read the code data. Click Read EEPROM to read EEPROM data. Save it to the desktop. Click Key Learn. Click CAS2 Learn. Click Connect. Then click Get Key Info. Choose a blank key. Click Prepare Dealer Key with Programmer. Put the key into D2. According to the prompt stop. After writing the key to CAS, start testing whether the key is generated successfully. Put the key into test platform. Press the button to light up the test platform, and the key will be generated successfully.